大家好，我係 Jennie，咁我係 Immigration Consultant at Chau Legal Solicitor，而我身邊呢位 Mr. MacWilliam 咧就係我哋嘅 Department Head，咁同時阿 Louis 咧都係University of Law 嘅客席教授，咁我哋今日咧就準備回應一下香港前人民入境事務處處長葉劉淑儀喺網上面一段短片啦，咁佢嘅短片就係回應翻咧英國嘅外相Dominic Raab 嘅一番言論嘅，咁我哋就希望提供一啲正確嘅資訊啦俾大家，咁就解釋翻咧，咁葉太喺佢個短片裏面啦，咁提供咗一啲乜嘢嘅錯誤資訊咁樣，咁我哋就而家同阿 Louis 傾下啦。Louis, if you remember that we watched a video about Mrs. Ip that she actually saying that people who are holding BNO passport can travel to France and re-enter to the UK. So what do you think?
Yeah, I think that's probably bad advice. It's certainly risky because if someone comes to the UK as a visitor, goes back to France for the purpose of trying to get another 6 months coming back into the UK, they're likely to get stopped by officials who are going to want to know why they're doing this, whether they've got a genuine intention to return home, whether they're a genuine visitor. And at the end of it all, they might well be refused re-entry to the UK.
咁Louis 頭先就講到啦，其實葉太嘅一番言論咧就係講只要你揸住BNO 啦，咁去法國然後翻英國，咁來來回之下咧，你其實可以無限次咁樣累積呢個6個月嘅即係簽證啦。咁呢個係完全地唔正確嘅。咁Louis 都提到啦，你係有機會咧喺個我哋嘅邊界嗰度啦，就被拒入境啦。咁我都唔希望大家會遇到呢個情況嘅。咁除咗呢一樣咧，我哋係想即係繼續去回應翻佢嘅短片嘅內容啊。咁佢都提到咧喺 Home Office 咧，佢話就係一個極之唔歡迎外來移民嘅一個部門嚟嘅。咁我哋又睇下 Louis 點睇啦。Louis, if you remember that in the video, she actually mentioned that the Home Office is the most unlikely to welcome foreign citizens to come to UK, as well as including the Commonwealth citizens. So can you talk about your opinion?
Yeah, I thought that was a strange thing to come out with because, for starters, we still have free movement of EU citizens, so anyone from the EU can enter the UK with ease at the moment. They just need a passport. We have the UK ancestry visa for people who have parents who are Commonwealth citizens, parents who were born in the UK, and they're changing the Tier 2 system from next year so that people can do an A-level level of job in the UK.
咁Louis 啱啱就講到啦，咁其實咧葉太嘅言論係唔正確嘅，咁包括係Commonwealth citizen 咧係有另一個特別嘅 visa 咧係可以嚟到英國嘅，咁另外咧就係其實英國嘅法例啦，移民法例而家其實仲係包括咗歐盟嘅 free movement 嘅法例嘅，所以歐盟嘅公民咧其實佢哋係可以自由咁樣嚟到英國咧，只要佢哋揾到工或者喺度居留5年啦，咁佢哋都5年之後同時都會攞到一個永久嘅居留嘅，咁所以佢嘅見解係完全地唔正確嘅。咁另外Louis 都講到啦，嚟緊出年其實由於我哋英國Brexit 啦脱歐啦，咁英國都就住呢樣嘢咧係做咗一啲新嘅移民政策啦，例如我哋嘅工簽啦 Tier 2啦，咁就嚟緊會有好大嘅轉變嘅。咁另外咧，葉太都講到啦，比較咗嚟緊BNO 嗰個情況，同埋之前1990年英國係俾咗香港係一個叫做BN Selection Scheme 啦。咁其實我想講翻呢樣嘢，喺英國政府咧暫時係冇一份官方嘅文件，一啲官方嘅資訊係話俾大家聽，其實你拎住 BNO 嚟到英國係點樣可以攞到居留咧，所有嘅資訊都未有嘅，未有官方嘅資訊，所以係完全地冇可能比較到兩樣嘢嘅。咁呢樣都大家留意翻啦。咁嚟緊我哋會不停咁 update 大家嘅。咁事態發展係點樣咧？咁就繼續留意啦。咁我哋再講到葉太有啲乜嘢嘅言論係唔正確嘅咧？咁就包括佢講到咧英國嘅政府咧就只係歡迎一啲好似護士啊嗰啲醫護人員咁嚟到英國，因為我哋都勞工短缺，咁我哋睇下 Louis 有咩睇法啦。So you know in the next one that we talk about that the British government just want all those nurse high skilled workers to come. So what do you think about that?
Well, yeah, I mean that's not really accurate at all because at the moment It's generally for skilled or more highly skilled people, but certainly not just doctors and nurses. And like I say, they're going to change it so that people doing an A-level job can come here. The Tier 2 sponsorship system is going to be expanded greatly, so that it's going to be far more commonplace for non-EU nationals.
Yeah, apart from immigration rules, we do actually dealing with cases that are related to asylum claim and human rights protection. So do you think?
Yeah, I mean, so that's another big area is asylum. So there's tends to be somewhere between 20 and 30,000 asylum claimants coming to the UK for a variety of reasons from a variety of countries. Meanwhile, human rights applications by family members to come here. So there's a whole host of other visa routes beyond what's been described.
係咁，其實咧，我哋都了解到啦，除咗即係阿葉太講到嘅高技術嘅移民申請之外咧，其實我哋公司都處理好多，例如係難民申請啦、家庭團聚啦、一啲人權申請啊。所以由法律嘅角度睇咧，咁我哋就唔係好明點解阿葉太就認為英國政府係歡迎護士啊或者一啲高技術嘅人員，咁就係唔成立嘅。咁另外咧，咁最尾佢就講到話有關移民英國嘅一啲好限制嘅地方啦，例如係一啲居留嘅時間啦。咁我哋或者可以解釋一下啦。So finally, that should talk about the restrictive immigration rule about people have to remain in the UK during the 5 years period. So can you just give some accurate information to our audience, please?
Okay, so for most visa routes, for that 5-year period that normally you need to get settlement, tends to be that you can't have more than 180 days of absence from the UK in any 12-month period, and that's whole days. And then there's sometimes a separate rule of no more than 540 days over a 10-year period if you're applying for long residence. So there's various other rules that I don't know if you want me to go into them now, but
yeah, we probably can discuss in
yeah,
our
maybe we'll leave that
post, yeah.
for the next session, yeah.
咁其實頭先阿 Louis 都講到啦，其實就唔可以一概而論嘅。咁另外咧就阿葉太都講話居英權成日就講居英權啊，點樣攞永居啊。咁我哋解釋一下啦，其實喺英國咧就有唔係單一個居英權可以去理解呢個英國移民制度嘅。咁我哋首先嘅理解就係永久居留啦，英國嘅國籍啦。咁當你有英國嘅永久居留權嘅時候咧，就係講緊你係唔受到呢個移民限制啦。其中一點要留意嘅咧就係，如果你係攞住英國嘅永久居留咧，咁你就有2年嘅限制喺度㗎。咁你就出境離境多過2年。如果之後先翻英國咧，你嘅永久居留權啦係有機會喪失嘅。咁呢樣嘢就要留意翻咯。但係如果你係持有英國護照係入咗英國籍嘅咧，咁佢就冇呢個限制㗎啦。咁另外佢都講到話5年就攞永久居留啦，6年就入籍咁樣。其實呢啲資訊係咪正確嘅咧？咁我等阿 Louis 同大家講下啦。She also talk about people would be able to apply for permanent residence after 5 years and British citizen after 6 years. Do you know whether it applied to everybody or?
Well, yeah, no, it's wrong to say that everyone has to wait 6 years. So if you're married to a British citizen, then you can get British citizenship after just 5 years. So there's a different rule in place if you are married to a British citizen.
係啦，咁我哋其實除咗想指出咧，阿葉太提供嘅錯誤資訊之外咧，咁嚟緊係希望同大家討論多啲有乜嘢方法係可以移民英國咧，咁同埋係有一個法律嘅角度去睇呢件事嘅。咁希望大家會繼續留意我哋正確嘅資訊啦。Thank you。